How did the British occupy India? What were the main causes of war between British and India? The British East India Company, established in 1600, played a significant role in early British interaction with India. Initially, their focus was on trade, especially textiles and spices. Over time, the British East India Company expanded its influence and established trading posts and factories along with Indian coastline. They acquired trade rights through treaties with local rulers and gradually expanded their control over part of India. The British gradually became involved in local disputes and wars between Indian rulers. They used political instability and rivalries to expand their territorial control. Important turning points were the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxer in 1764, where the East India Company defeated the Indian rulers and they consolidated their power in Bengal and elsewhere. The doctrine of lapse introduced by British Governor General Lord Dalhousie in mid of 19th century further facilitated to British expansion in India. According to this policy, any Indian princely state that lacked a male heir annexed by the British East India Company. The Indian Rebellion of 1857, also known as the Sepoy mutiny, was a major uprising against British rule in India. It was triggered by various factors, included grievance among Indian soldiers in the British East India Company's army, social and economic discontent, and resentment towards British policies. While the rebellion was ultimately suppressed by British, it led to the transfer of control of India from the British East India Company to the British Crown, marking the beginning of direct British rule known as the British Raj. The British enacted various laws and policies to consolidate their control over exploit India's resources for their own economic benefit.